Hello, this is Kozue from Healing Sanctuary, Japan. Today, I'd like to share with you one of Japan's oldest secret sounds, just 8 syllables that cleanse a line and restore harmony to your mind and body. Save this video now, so you won't forget it later. In Japan, we have a concept called Kotodama, the belief that every word carries spiritual energy and that spoken words shape our reality. And surprisingly, this idea is not unique to Japan. In Christianity, it is said, "In the beginning was Word." In Hindu tradition, the universe is said to begin with Om. Across ancient civilizations, people believed that sound is the source of creation. This is why the words you speak vibrate first through your own mind and body, shaping your emotions, your energy, and eventually your future. Now let's chant together. One of Japan's most powerful secret sounds, an 8-syllable Kotodama for purification and harmony. Take a deep breath and slowly extend each syllable. Repeat after me. Toho kami emi tame. The key is immerse yourself in the sound and let it resonate through your whole being and into the space around you. Repeat it again and again. Your voice, your sound, holds the power of transform your life. From January 1st, I will be sharing the Japanese year's journey every day for 30 days. If you want to create the happiness year of your life, subscribe now so you can receive day 1.